Now it's time to sand down the box. My tray is drying, so I may as well get to it. Every time I put together these dovetails, they protrude out just a hair, which is good, because now I can sand them down perfectly flush without changing the face at all. And that goes for the sides here. So take your rough sandpaper and sand everything down, and then if you see any tiny gaps, go ahead and fill those with the appropriate wood putty. Sand down the handle and inside. I even took the time to putty the holes for the little supports, the cleats in the toolbox. Sand down all this. It's going to be really rough by hand. And take your time and make it look really good. While I know this isn't furniture, we want it to be a furniture grade project.